In agriculture, water is life. But in every field, it behaves differently. Efficient water management is vital, whether during drought or periods of excess. The way water behaves in soil depends on its physical properties, how it infiltrates, how it's retained, and how it's distributed. These factors directly affect how much water plants can actually access. Extended droughts can lead to crust formation, reducing moisture availability, and making re-wetting a challenge. On the flip side, heavy rainfall or irrigation can cause runoff or deep percolation if the soil can't absorb water effectively. That's why every drop must count. Enhancing infiltration and ensuring water moves efficiently through the soil is key to maximizing plant uptake. Introducing HydraGuard, the smart solution that helps crops make the most of every drop. HydraGuard transforms how water interacts with soil, unlocking efficiency where it matters most. Its advanced formulation acts directly on the physical properties that govern infiltration, distribution, and retention, creating continuous and uniform wetting patterns. HydraGuard improves plant water use efficiency, ensuring greater and longer-lasting water availability in the root zone, even under tough conditions. HydraGuard combines non-ionic surfactants and poloxamer-type polymers to modify water's physical behavior in the soil. It works through two synergistic actions, optimizing the soil-water plant system. Infiltration facilitates water absorption even in completely dry soils by reducing surface tension and removing barriers that block infiltration and root contact. Distribution promotes uniform water movement throughout the soil profile, increasing effective availability and persistence in the root zone for a consistent supply. Both mechanisms leverage the physicochemical properties of water and its dynamic interaction with soil particles. HydraGuard enhances soil-water interactions through a dual physical mechanism that targets the rapid entry of water into the soil, its uniform distribution, and prolonged retention within the root zone. By one side, HydraGuard reduces surface tension, allowing water to spread as a thin film rather than isolated droplets. This accelerates infiltration and improves contact with soil particles. Lower surface tension also helps water move deeper and more uniformly through the soil profile, creating a broader wetting front. In the field, this means faster rehydration of crusted, compacted, or dried out soils where conventional irrigation often fails. By the other side, HydraGuard also targets soil hydrophobicity, a condition where soil repels water due to organic coatings or prolonged drying, common in sandy soils, high organic matter substrates, or areas with repeated wet-dry cycles. HydraGuard contains poloxamers, copolymers, with alternating hydrophilic and hydrophobic segments. These molecules coat soil particles, creating a structure that retains water while leaving space for air and root growth. Once particles are coated, poloxamers link together, forming chains throughout the soil matrix. By neutralizing water repellency and restoring soil wettability, this mechanism allows water to penetrate previously impermeable areas, breaking preferential flow paths or root zone bypass, providing continuous moisture to plants. With its dual mode of action, HydraGuard reshapes water dynamics, delivering tangible benefits that enhance crop performance. HydraGuard improves water penetration and distribution within the soil matrix by removing barriers that block absorption, even in compacted or dry conditions, significantly increasing availability of water in the soil. One of HydraGuard's key advantages is its ability to increase water infiltration. By promoting faster infiltration, HydraGuard helps prevent runoff and boost the soil's capacity to retain moisture. In this rice field, irrigation mixed with HydraGuard was absorbed in half the time compared to the control. Faster infiltration means less evaporation, no wasted water, no runoff, and no loss of the soil's fertile layer, protecting productivity from the ground up. HydraGuard triggers a chain reaction among water molecules in the soil by connecting isolated water pockets, enabling continuous flow throughout the substrate and supporting an optimal water balance in the crop. As roots absorb the surrounding water, it is immediately replenished, ensuring a constant availability for uptake. This mechanism increases water use efficiency and enhances nutrient absorption, Field results confirm HydraGuard's effectiveness. Under water deficit conditions, with a 40% reduction in irrigation, lettuce treated with HydraGuard showed a 10% yield recovery compared to the stressed control. Improving yield while using less water translates into an 8% increase in water use efficiency. This means 8 additional kilograms of harvest are obtained for every cubic meter of water applied to the crop, thanks to HydraGuard's action. HydraGuard redefines how water behaves in soil, proven science that delivers measurable results in every field.